Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how to make homemade gravy. First, we will use this pan that I just finished making my smothered chicken in. You can watch that video too. I'll post the link in the description. We are going to keep our pan on medium heat, and to start our gravy, we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. We will now take about 3/4 cup of that seasoned flour we used for the chicken and add it to our pan of oil. We will then stir the mixture to incorporate it with the grease and try to get all the lumps out. It might be best to use a whisk at this point. Now we will stir in 2 cups of chicken broth. After adding the 2 cups of the chicken broth, we will keep our heat on medium. Be sure to continue stirring the mixture to get all the lumps out. I will continue to stir the gravy mixture really well till everything is blended finely. Once it is at a creamy texture, I will allow it to cook for an additional 2 minutes, keeping my burner on medium heat. Next, I will add in 2 cups of whole milk and stir it completely. After everything is mixed in good, we will allow it to cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Guess what? You just made homemade gravy. Doesn't that look good? If you enjoyed our homemade gravy recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you here again soon. Bye-bye.